Alrighty, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to All Things Hockey. And today we have two things to open. Not sure what's in this, pretty sure what's in this top one. Regardless, I am using my Freemasons, pretty sure that's what this is. Really basic knife. Either way, we're going to start with what I know. And this was about $10 after tax. And forgot that I even ordered this, if I'm being honest with you, but it's kind of funny. So, yeah, it's just a stick-on. So, they're probably just generic sunglasses, but, oh, you get a little carrying bag. And the case. I mean, at least they're wrapped nice. Alright, so you got some gold trim. Golden Knights logo. Yeah, so they're just basic sunglasses with a Golden Knights logo on it, which is okay. But I thought they were really cool, and they were like $9 or $10. So, yeah, why not? Nice little pair of Golden Knights sunglasses. Not something you see a lot. Not super expensive. So, that in its case, and we will move on to this. My guess is that it's cards. I'm hoping that it's cards. I don't. Okay. A box in a box. Okay. $100 storage box. Jeez. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. Okay. Well, I think I know what these are. So we've got Tyler Johnson, limited patch auto, out of 100. Look at that. That is beautiful right there. That, I'm pretty sure that's a shoulder patch. But that is a beautiful card right there. Next up is Brian Giunta, number 32 out of 50, Frozen Artifacts. Yeah, so this is a really good box right here. John Klingberg, UD game jersey. Klingberg. I wish they numbered these to make them just a little bit more rare, but can't win them all. Oh, here's a good one. This is Victor Kozlov, Capitals. And you know what's crazy? Is that's like an orange swatch. I don't remember the Capitals having orange on their jerseys at any point. So, I don't know. If you know, let me know, because I'm a Capitals fan and I don't know, so that's kind of weird. Tyler Myers, Game Night, Pinnacle, and that is Game Worn. Tyler Myers. Next up, we've got Sam Reinhart, Frozen Artifacts. Non-numbered as well. Is that game used? Yep, game used. Okay. Next up, oh, this is a dual material. Okay, we got Justin Williams, one-on-one dual materials from MVP. And on the back is Steven Weiss. Okay. Man, even a dual material isn't freaking numbered? That's crazy. It's $5 apparently. This is one of the good ones. Teemu Selanne in the game used. 27 out of 35. I'll take this out to get a better look. If I can get it. There we go. That is beautiful. Teemu Selanne jersey. This is one of my favorite non-Capitals players. Corners are a little messed up, but one of my favorite non-Capitals. Now the trick is, can I get it back in without damaging it even more? I might have to I'm gonna have to set this aside and put a bigger sleeve on there. I crammed that thing in there. Next up is it Joni or Joni Pitkanen? Ultra Uniforms, is that what that says? Uniformity. Ultra Uniformity. See, that's an orange jersey because he's on the Oilers, an orange team. Ew, there's a... Oh, no, it's either mine or that's theirs, but there was a hair. You know, that feels pretty big. Yeah, should have just put it in that one. Jeez. Okay, next up. Jordan Leopold, OPG swatches. That's a bright red. Marcus Naslund, Ultra Uniformity. That's a really interesting looking... Huh. That's really interesting. Okay. I just love the difference in all these different jersey cards. You got a Steve Ott autograph. It's a sticker auto from Score Hockey 12-13. Steve Ott. I don't have a lot of Stars stuff, so that's pretty good. We got Joe Nieuwendyk. SP Game Used Authentic Fabrics jersey, Joe Nieuwendyk, when he was on the Panthers. All right. I'm hoping that this is, I don't know if this is the one that I was thinking it was. I guess we'll find out. Daniel Sedin UD game jersey. That's pretty nice. One color, but either way, a legend. And then we got a Lars Eller game jersey, who is now on the Capitals. So this is going to be in my Capitals collection. Oh, coming out of the... We got Jonathan Quick Artifacts. And you got the white patch and the black jersey. That's pretty cool. And that is numbered out of 75. Number 67 out of 75. Emerald Artifacts. There are some really thick cards. Next up, we've got Yuri Hudler of the Czech Republic. He was on Calgary. Global Chirography. Next up is Simon Gagne, or Simon Gagne, or Simon Gagny, or however you want to pronounce it. There's 700 million ways. But there's only one right way, and I'm pretty sure that's Simon Gagne. Next up is another PK Subban game used jersey. I say another because I'm pretty sure in one of my past videos recently, I had a game jersey of PK Subban. So there's another. Yeah, I don't think this is the one that I thought it was. Which means there's one more just like this coming that's going to be really good. In fact, probably crazier. We got a Derek Forbort autographed Future Watch. I was really excited about this because it's impossible to get Future Watches at a good price. And Forbort is an actual good player, so this is pretty cool. Here's another really cool one. Ed Belfour, Fabricology. When he was on the Maple Leafs. That's really cool. 0607. Ed Belfour. Next up is Patrick Marleau on the Sharks. OPG swatches silver. Look at that. 0607. Patty Marleau on the Sharks. Ooh, here's one of the better ones in my opinion. Nicholas Backstrom UD game jersey. Might just be a UD game jersey, you know, not really anything special, but I still think this is awesome. Next up is a Grant Fuhr autograph, and I don't think yeah, I think this is an in-person auto. You can see the marker streak on it, but it doesn't say anything about it being autographed, so I think this is an in-person auto, so that's pretty cool. Next up is another legend, Keith Tkachuk, Jesus, on the Blues. And I have another Tkachuk on the way. 3 more. We got Kari Lehtinen from the Thrashers, and there's some kind of blue. What is that? Some kind of blue ink. Wonder if that's supposed to be there. But Kari Lehtinen. 2 more cards. What do we got? Sean Burke, UD game jersey. That's an old one, isn't it? 0506, yeah, look at that. Back when they didn't have the circle UD game jerseys. And lastly, probably should have saved something better for last, but Jan Suave, 337 out of 800, and that is on card auto of Calder Contenders. All right. I would say that's pretty solid. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Look at that stack. We got some pretty good ones in there, like Quick and, you know, Marcus Naslund, Newendike, Solane. I mean, amazing, in my opinion. Can't remember how much I paid for it. I wasn't thinking this one was coming this quickly, but it did. I can't remember. It was either some crazy cheap price or it was a little on the more expensive side. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did enjoy this and you are interested in any of these cards, which are open for trade or for sale on my Instagram, if you want to message me, or if you subscribe, you're going to be entered to win some of these cards in a giveaway. I'm doing one for the 50 subscribers, and then we're going to do one at 100, and then, you know, so on and so forth. So if you're interested in that, comment, like, and subscribe to be entered, and we will see you in the next one.